fashion show event that I have coming up is March 6th, and actually my birthday is March 5th. So normally I would do a fashion show in September for sickle cell. I lost my son a couple of years ago from sickle cell disease. And I collaborated with a couple of friends of mine, Stylist Lanice Boutique, Shantae Barber, Daakyehene, Jackie's Collections, Pretty Moments Boutique. So I entitled this fashion show, Inspiring Life Through Fashion.